listen. See, you got ritualistic, cleansing my soul of addiction for now, 'cause I'm falling apart. Tension between us just like picket fences. You got issues that I won't mention for now, 'cause we're falling apart. Passionate from miles away, passive with the things you say, passing up on my old ways. I can't blame you, no, no. Passionate from miles away, passive with the things you say, passing up on my old ways. I can't blame you, no, no. Listen, harder building trust from a distance. I think we should rule out commitment for now, 'cause we're falling apart. Leaving, you're just doing that to get even. Don't pick up the pieces, just leave it for now. They keep falling apart. Passionate from miles away, passive with the things you say, passing up on my old ways. I can't blame you, no, no. Passionate from miles away, passive with the things you say, passing up on my old ways. I can't blame you, no, no. I'm just trying to think of the right thing to say to you, to you. Oh, I'm just trying to think of the right thing to say to you, to you. Trying to think of the right thing to say. Sipping on your coffee, pouring up some wine, saying you can be my baby if I give you some time. Moving so fast, but we can slow it down. I think I wanna hold you, but I'm not sure I'm allowed, 'cause you are gold to me. A piece of art to me. The sky's turning purple, then orange, then pink and yellow, and then a darker shade of blue. I can see a darker shade of you sitting right beside me. I wish I could hear your silence. I wish you were here with me. You're sipping on your coffee, fading away. I could give you some time if you promise that you'll stay, but I sit there saying nothing, just watching your hands. I wish that I could hold them, but I'm not sure I can. But you still are gold to me, baby. Piece of art to me. you close your eyes, do you see me? Do you hear me when you're putting on your headphones? Do you feel my hands even when I'm not there? 'Cause I can hear you breathing loud and clear, even though you're not here, even though you're not near. Do you even care about me? Sipping on your coffee, I'm finishing my wine. I wish that time was solid so I could give it to you now. That we could be happy, I wouldn't have to wait. I wish that I was gold to you, but it might be too late. It might be too late. Too late. Because the sun is going down and all of our candles are burned out. 'Cause the sun is going down, the sun is going down, and all of our candles are burned out, are burned out. Because the sun is going down and all of our candles are burned out, are burned.